Hi guys, welcome back to my another YouTube video where we are going to discuss about the incorporation relief. Okay, so yeah, let's begin. Okay, so now just a second. Okay, now let's understand when you get incorporation relief. So yeah, one thing, let me clarify. This is a deferral relief. Okay. Hmm. So whatever the gain you get on in whatever the incorporation relief you claim now, you the gain on the whatever the incorporation relief part, okay, that will like you get the gain, okay, on that you claim IC. So this IC, whatever IC or you say gain, that will be deferred to the future date whenever you purchase shares. Okay. So now what happens? See, whenever suppose I'm having a normal business, okay, Nishi, Malvi, whatever you keep it. Okay. Now I transfer into Nishi company. Okay. So now whenever I transfer my business, normal trading, personal trading business in a company, that at that time I can apply incorporation relief. Okay. So in exam as well, please read the question carefully. If they are stating that they are transferring an asset or they are transferring a business to a company, then you can claim for the incorporation relief. Okay. Now, whatever the assets I have in my company, those will be gone from my books, obviously. Those will be transferred into Nishin company's book. Okay. So for me, for in my normal business book, this will be disposal at a market value. Okay. And the cost will be deducted in this. Okay. Now in incorporation relief, there are some conditions in which you can gain you can gain the incorporation relief. So only on the shares consideration you get the incorporation relief. Okay. And you can transfer all the assets except cash to the company. Like I can transfer all my assets to Nishin company. Uh, Except cash. Now, Nishin company will give me shares. So, shares consideration will be given. Okay, cash consideration is not considered. So, in case of the shares consideration, now sometimes what happens, only partly share consideration is given. So, at that time, when the whole share consideration is given, first let's discuss whole share consideration. So, I get the gain, right? If I get the whole share consideration, then this gain, I will deduct whole gain. This whole gain will be deducted as an incorporation value, IC. Okay, and nil. This will be usually nil if the whole gain is, whole consideration is in shares. Now, this incorporation relief, whatever the shares market value I get in Nishi's company, I'll get some proportion of the shares. Okay, whatever the market value of that shares, that will be my purchase price, right? Now that that will be my purchase price for now, even though I'm not purchasing it, but that will be my cost. So cost minus IC, the same way, this will reduce your cost, lower down your cost. So if your cost is reducing and whenever you're selling at that same similar set, your gain will increase, right? So that's how incorporation relief deferral works. Okay. Now, yes, now let's go. Like CGT and business asset is deferred by deduction of the from market value of company shares acquired. So the same thing. If cash consideration is given, okay. So the formula is whenever you receive some cash consideration, you only claim for the shares consideration, right? So cash consideration in the sense whenever in exchange of your business, Nishin company, this Nishin company gives Nishi business, Nishi Malvi, some cash. So cash won't be considered. Shares will be considered. So in that scenario, whatever the gain I get, like this gain, okay, this gain I get, multiply by value of the share consideration, market value of at the time total consideration. So of course, if you're taking market value here also market value. Total consideration. Okay. This is the formula. Okay. So you will only claim the proportionate of the gain. Rest of all will be chargeable now, and the only some proportion, only the shares proportion will be deferred, and that will be deferred at the that will be chargeable whenever you're selling this Nishan company shares. Okay. And for the election of this limit, you can claim this limit within, you can elect to claim this limit within 2 years of the year end. Suppose in year, this is 2024, right? We are studying FA 2023, 24. So let's say by the March or 5th April is the last period, right? So suppose I incorporated my personal business into a company into this current year. Within 2 years, okay, after the end of the period, within 2 years, like after second Jan, you can take it. Like within 2 years of the Jan, you have to claim it. So this will be my 2024, my 2025 to 26, 26 to 27. Like after the year end, whichever Jan comes from that period to the 2 years Jan. So you can take it third Jan, third Jan. Okay. So 2024, so 2025 to 27, 31st Jan 2027. At that date, I have to claim it for the current year. Okay. I hope it's clear. Um, So yeah, I hope guys it's clear. In case you have any queries, you can comment below. I'll answer you. Okay. And one more thing, I'll be posting some questions into my community part. Okay. So please stay tuned in the channels so that you can solve all the questions. Okay. And if you like the videos, so please like and share to those who need it. Share with your all your friends or your study buddies, right? And please subscribe to my channel for more such content. Okay. And in case you need another topic, in case you need some other another topics to be covered, so this was the requested one. Some of the students requested me to make some videos on this. In case you want some videos to be covered, you can comment below. I'll do the same. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.